In Collaboard, there is a task object that allows you to add and manage tasks directly on the whiteboard. This makes it easy to implement visual project management right inside your board, for example by creating a Kanban board. You can find tasks in the toolbar on the left-hand side. With one click, you can select a task and place it directly on the whiteboard. Each task consists of a title and additional information. Using the icon with the two arrows, you can open the task in the side panel and add a more detailed description. In addition, you have several options to structure your tasks. You can assign a color to differentiate task types. You can set a status such as to do, in progress, or done. You can also assign a task to a person who has access to the board. As soon as you assign a task, that person will automatically receive a notification. For planning, you can set a start date and an end date. This helps you keep track of when a task begins and when it should be completed. All of these settings can be managed in the side panel. Many of them can also be edited directly in the task toolbar, for example, changing the status and color, assigning a person, or setting dates. You can also use tags to further structure your tasks, for example, to define priorities like high or low. One final tip. Often you start in Collaboard with sticky notes. For example, during brainstorming. You can easily convert these sticky notes into tasks. The text from the sticky note is automatically used as the task title. This allows you to turn ideas into actionable tasks. And that's what makes Collaboard so powerful. You keep a clear visual overview directly on the whiteboard while connecting ideas, planning, and execution in one place.